Look at here. I got some eggplants growing. Come on, eggplants. Look at here. Look at here. There go another one. Come on, eggplants. Come on, my eggplants. Do your thing. Grow us a lot of eggplants. See a lot of blooms on you. Come on. Looking good. Looking good. I see you, okra. I see you. Got another little one growing behind you there. Okay, okra. Look at you. There's another one coming in. Ah, and look, another one now. Okay, okra. Do your thing. Look at you, bell pepper. Come on and grow for us. Big and beautiful. I came over here to my lemon tree and I was getting upset. I thought the birds had ate up everything over here because I saw a lot of blooms earlier last week on my lemon tree. But I see that the bees, just seen one bee over here. He's trying to finish up his job for the day. Came over here and was pollinating these flowers. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that lemon coming out of there where he pollinated. I counted about maybe 5 that got pollinated today. Let's go down here. There go another one. See that too? Look at that. Look at that. See the little green part coming out there? That's the lemon gonna be there. Look at that one right there. Look at that. There go another lemon. Thank you, bee, for coming over here and pollinating my lemon tree. I see about 5 more lemons getting ready to come to go along with this one that's already big. Okay. Come on, pollinate that last flower that's right there. Come on. Give me a whole lot of lemons growing on a Maya lemon tree. And I have a handful of cherry tomatoes that I can put in a salad tonight. Just come out in your garden and get your food. Okay, cucumbers, I see you. I see you. Look at you. Okay, and you up here. Look at you. Oh, you big. You're a big one. Any more coming up? I see you. Look at you. I see y'all. I see you some blooms still here. A lot more blooms. Okay. Let me harvest these 2 cucumbers here. Look at this big beauty here. Okay, cucumber. Gotcha. Look at you, cucumber. You look good. Okay. Let's get your brother off of here. Where he at? He in here hiding. Wait a minute, let me find you again. He was over here hanging out with the basil. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. I got you. Okay. There we go. We got two nice sized cucumbers today. The pickling cucumbers. And look at these habanero peppers. Are still growing. They ready to harvest. Barbara, you better come get your plant. I was planting this for you, girl. Ah, gotta find a way. How can I ship this to you? Where to get to you still alive. It's your habanero peppers. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. A small harvest today from Big Mama's garden.